Hi guys, it's Vesna here. Welcome to my channel. If you're brand new to my channel, this is my home channel where I show you thrift hauls, Dollar Tree hauls, and any home decorating type of stuff I'll do on here. So fireplace decor, tier tray decor, holiday theme decor, any of that kind of stuff I do on this channel. So make sure if you haven't subscribed, you subscribe to my channel. For today's video, I am also doing an invitation as well as my Dollar Tree haul. So this right here is my Dollar Tree haul. Lots and lots of stuff. So stay tuned and I'll go through everything and kind of describe to you what I'll be using for what. And all of the DIYs that I make for like any of my DIYs I make, I post over on my Vesna TV channel. So stay tuned and thanks for stopping by. For today's video, I'm actually inviting everybody to this open collaboration that I am actually co-hosting with Sonja from Domestic Diva DIY and Sandra from the Schwowin's Nest. If you haven't checked out Sonja's channel, she's got 3 channels. She has Domestic Diva DIY, Domestic Diva Home, and Domestic Diva Cooking. Make sure you check them out. She's super talented. She does lots of DIYs, furniture flips, Dollar Tree DIYs, all sorts of stuff on her DIY channel. Her home channel is more decorating, organizing, and then cooking, self-explanatory. Sandra is also a super talented lady at the Schwowin's Nest. She does all sorts of farmhouse themed DIYs and furniture flips. So if you haven't checked out her channel, make sure you check it out as well. I'll have both channels linked in my description below. So there are a few rules for this open collaboration. So first of all, it is a Christmas themed DIY or decor piece, and it's for your fireplace mantle. So what we want to do is either have you make something for your fireplace mantle or show us how you decorate your fireplace mantle, but it has to be a Christmas theme. Then the second rule is it has to be uploaded on November 16th at 3 p.m. Not sooner. It can be later, but not sooner. We will have the playlist linked in our videos when they go live. Then the other rule is that you have to be subscribed to all of our channels. And you have to mention the playlist in our channels in your video and in your description. So again, those are the rules. Just to kind of give you an idea. So basically kind of you can make anything that you would like in a Christmas theme that you could display on your fireplace. You could make a DIY and display it on your, and show us how you decorate your mantle. So kind of do both or one or the other. It doesn't matter. Very flexible. Just follow the rules that I mentioned below. I'll also have the rules linked in my video below. And that's it. And most important rule of all, have fun and get creative. So thank you so much. I really hope you can join us. Leave me a comment below letting me know if you'll join or not, if you're able to join us this time around. So again, November 16th at 3 p.m. Playlist will be linked for the creators in our description boxes. For those of us wanting to just join in and watch, the video will go live at 3 p.m. So I'm really excited about today's video. I want to share with you all of the fun stuff that I got at the Dollar Tree. It's a huge haul. I spent way too much money. But anyway, so I'll start off with these little trucks here. They're the little red trucks. They're actual ornaments, which I know I'll use in a ton of DIYs. I got 3 of these Christmas trees because I have an idea for some DIYs. Then these little mops. Well, one I was planning to use for a DIY that I already made, but I didn't use as much of it as I thought I would. So I bought these for some gnomes that I intend to make. These will go with those gnomes. I'm all about gnomes this season, so I thought I could use this guy because to me he kind of looks, the shape of him looks kind of like a gnome that I could do. I have been looking for these little red trucks for about a year now. Last year I saw them around this time at our Dollar Tree, and I looked at them and I thought, oh, this is so cool, but I don't know what I can do with it. And then I left the store, and then I literally went back the next day, like, because I've been thinking about it. I'm like, oh my god, I could do so many things with it. They didn't have them. They didn't have them for fall. They didn't have them anymore for that season, and they finally had them now. So I picked up a whole bunch of them because I figured I could use them for fall DIYs and for Christmas DIYs, and maybe even something like in the summer season. I'm not sure. I really liked the shape of this. I liked the little cuts in here, and then I really liked this little metal piece here. So I thought I could do lots, even if I were to take this off somehow and use it for something else, but I could see lots of potential with that. I got a few of these, thinking that maybe I could do like a 3-dimensional piece for this, or you know, like an angel or something, but definitely will be making a wreath out of this. You know, I could do something like that. Not sure yet what I'll do with the rest of them, but I thought I'd get them. Maybe I'll make something for my mom. I'm not sure. I actually got 3 of them. But then I got these. These are part of the little Christmas village, and I thought they would be really cute additions and if I do like a snow globe or something like that. So I picked them up. Again, I was looking at them like, I don't know, because I always like to get things that I know for sure I'll use. Like, I know I'll use these canes, if not for nothing else, but for a wreath or for like a decoration in my vases. But these guys, I wasn't sure, because I'm not sure that I'll make snow globes or not, but I knew if I didn't get it, I would regret it. And then I got it, and I went back the next day because I heard that there was more Christmas stock, so I wanted to see if they had the trucks, and they didn't have these anymore. So I'm glad I got it. Then I got 2 of these guys because I thought they were really cute. So there's more of these trucks, and I also had an idea of where I could do like an actual truck out of the little red trucks. Then I got some florals. These are the mistletoes, and they've got a little bit of the snow on them. Then we've got the just Christmas picks here, and then some more here. And then I got this scarf here. I got this scarf because I like the pattern in it. It's that little buffalo type of like checkered pattern. I got this mini wreath or berry garland, not wreath, because I think I could use it in like just accent pieces. I got another pick here, then some white Christmas trees, and these might just be accents that I use in different projects. Then I got these guys here, just a cotton bouquet. I still love the cotton. Then the premium Christmas pick, another gnome mop. I think I got too many. I thought that I would use a lot more for a gnome, but I don't think I will now. But soft snow, faux snow. One of these little ornaments, like a DIY ornament. I thought these were really cute. I have the bigger one, so I thought this one was really cute. It's a small one. Then I got some ribbon. Got some ribbon. I was really excited to find this little red truck ribbon along with this one, this burlap. This I found a little while ago. I haven't seen any since, and they only had the one. Then this little red truck ribbon, and then this one, and then this. I got some more mistletoes. I got this gingerbread house. I actually saw someone recently, I can't think of the channel's name now, but I saw someone recently make a gingerbread house, but like a 2D one, a 3D one, so I think I might make something like that too. I just don't have 2 of those. This is really cool. This will be my gnome that I make. So I thought this was an awesome thing that I found, even though it's not Christmas. I got another one of these trucks because I know I can use it somewhere. And then I got some of these little words. I have a Cricut, so I probably could have cut them out, but these are already cut out. And for $1.25, there's 12 pieces in here. I thought that wasn't too bad. And again, these mini Christmas trees and some baker's twine just because it was colored. I just saw these paint pens there, so I picked some of those up too. And then I picked up this metal words, and they peace, joy, and believe. And then a different color of the twine. I won't use all of these for Christmas decor. I might just, you know, like the twine I might just have. And some more of these berries. You can always use these berries. More of these florals. Another one of these. And I really like these. These are going to be great for my tray decor. And I really like this one with the car. Then I have a Santa Claus DIY mine with a brush. Then I got 2 of these. I got 3 of these, but I already used them in a project. And then just one of these ornaments. I thought these were really cute too. Maybe in tray decor. One thing I don't like, they're quite shiny, but I can take care of that. Another one of these ornaments. And then I got one of the O's. Now I have Joy from last year. I did not record myself decorating, but it's a rose gold Joy because I really liked rose gold last year. I might keep it, I might not. I haven't decided. But then I got one of these Santa hats, which I thought I could use for something as well. I thought this metal star was really cool. And then these socks will be a part of a gnome project. Same with these and this knitting yarn. Picked up a few paints too. I picked up the holiday red, as well as a black one, because they black and white one because they finally had the big black and white paints. So I also got these guys. I figure I could use them in my tier decor. And then I have a project in mind for these little frames here, which will be a Christmas themed project. So I got 3 of those. And then another one of these markers. And I also forgot to mention that I got the leaf green as well. And for those that were concerned over on my DIY channel of me burning my fingers, finally got some finger protectors, finally remembered. And I got this tray. I thought it was super duper cute. And then now I'm thinking I should have gotten the cup, but I'll just do a glass cup. And I believe that is it. Not that that's not a lot. This is a lot of stuff here, but I think I'm pretty much set for most of my, between the stuff I already have at home from last year and this stuff, I should be set. I wish they would have had more of this ribbon and even a wider ribbon like this, but they didn't. I'm thinking that at the end of the season, so like after New Year's, I'll probably go to Michael's and see if I can't pick up some ribbon, you know, at 80-90% off. That's it. Make sure you check out my DIY channel. I will have a video on Friday, so that's tomorrow at 11 a.m. It should be, might be a little bit later, but tomorrow for sure there'll be a video. And I will have 3 Christmas themed DIYs that I've already used some of this stuff for those DIYs, so make sure you check out that video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have an excellent day and stay safe.